Alright, Travis, so today I have a special kind of review here for you today. This is, as of yet unreleased, kind of top secret product. You can see here it looks a bit unusual. So what this is are little headphones, or rather, should I say, earpieces. So if you have a look here, you pop this earpiece in your ear, like so, and the other side. One is the microphone, one is the receiver, and then you just go ahead in your phone and you just choose the language that you want it to translate to. So
像 NLT 就是中文，这是中文 Teams 语言，所以它会自动将你说的话翻译成这种语言。这项技术非常令人印象深刻。Celle-ci est la langue française, donc en gros, vous pouvez dire tout ce que vous voulez. Très utile quand vous voyagez. Das ist die deutsche Sprache. Also wenn du nach Deutschland gehst, steck diese ein, dann sollst du besser mit den Einheimischen sprechen und es übersetzt auch, was du hörst, in deine Muttersprache.
Alright, so that was just a quick demo of these. Like I said, these are unreleased and really still being developed, so you probably won't be able to purchase them anytime soon, but I just thought I would let you see these really cool new product, and I think it's going to be a game changer. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.